guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some project shares for Scrap Diva Designs. These are projects made using some of the dies from the February 2024 release. I will have them all linked down below. Also my referral link, if you click on that and place an order, I do get a commission, which helps me and my channel out. So thank you so much to everybody who uses that. Doesn't cost anything extra, of course. And I have a coupon code to use at scrapdivadesigns.com. That is strawberry cream. If you use that at checkout, you'll get 10% off of your order. So thank you to everyone who uses that as well. All right, so I already showed some projects. These are some more that I made, and I'm anxious to show you, so let's get started. The first die set that I used is the coin purse, and I fell in love with this when I first saw it because I just love the little kiss closure. It's very nostalgic for me, and I just thought it would be really fun to make into a different kind of project. You can make this into a card, just an embellishment. It has a shaker frame, which I did make the two projects I made into shakers, so that's really cool. This is probably my favorite part of the die set, besides that cute little closure, is this coin set, and it comes with a dime, a nickel, and a quarter. And it just looks so cute if you add it to your project. You'll see on my example in a second. And then it comes with 3 pieces. You can make this into a mini album easily because it comes with this outer piece. And then it comes with the inner layering piece that's stitched, and then another layering piece that has even more detail on it, including the 2 separate little closure pieces. And then it has this layering piece, which is like the metal frame of the purse. And it comes with 2 sentiments. One says cash with the shadow, and the other one says money. So super cute. I made kind of like gift card or money card holders. So this is the first one that I made. And like I said, I made it into a shaker. And inside I did add those coins, a little stuck back there, but I used some silver like brushed foil paper for those, and I think they add such a cute touch to the coin purse. And I filled it with sequins and diamond dots. I used my Walmart foam board to pop up the frame so it would be big enough for a shaker, and I used acetate to keep all the sequin bits in, of course. And then I used some flat back gems for the closure. I just think they'd look super cute. And then I added, like this is a metal embellishment. I have all of these charms that don't have, they're just embellishments, I guess, or cabochons. They don't have like loops on them or anything. So I thought this would be perfect to add onto this card. And I used cash in the front. I used that same gold metallic paper I used for the gold frame here, and some purple paper like I used for the base of the card for the shadow piece. So let me measure this for you before we open it. These are all 3 of the different layering pieces, so I'll measure all of them. So the widest part is almost 5 inches, and then top to bottom it is about 4 1/8. So really cute. And I made mine into a card that opens. The way I did that was I folded this purple paper in half. I used a 12 by 12 piece, and then took the main base part, the main base die, and I put this above the fold on the folded paper, and then ran it through my die cutting machine so this part did not cut, so it would just open. And that's how I usually make my cards, with dies like that. So when you open this, you just open it from the bottom, and that's what it looks like on the inside. So on the inside, I made another layering piece with the stitched layer for this part here, the gold shimmer paper. And then for this pocket, I cut this pretty floral paper out with the same stitch die, and then I used an edge die I had in my stash to cut it down. And when I glued it on, I didn't glue this part down, I just glued the edges. So you could put a gift card in there, or cash, a check, whatever. So I just like the cash money. So it's so cute, I think. What a great way to give like a teenager or a kid just a card that has money or a gift card inside, or anybody you're giving a gift card to. I love the colors. These papers are from a Recollections, I think, paper pad that I had in my stash. So isn't that pretty? I just love it. And then the second one I made is very similar, but a little bit different. The same paper pad, and I put money on the front of this one instead of cash, and I used a different embellishment. This is also a metal butterfly. I used E6000 to glue those on since they are metal. And I did add some more of those cute little coins inside, a little bit different shaker mix I made. I concentrated more on the purple in this one. And I fussy cut the scene in the background so you'd be able to see that. And this one I used some flat back gems. They're a little bit different. They're not faceted like the first set is, but I think they both look really, really cute. And this one opens the same way. I didn't put a word on the inside, and I used a different edge die to cut this pocket, but it's also a pocket too, so you can add cash or gift cards or whatever. So I love these. I think they came out so pretty, and I think they'll be a good way to give like one of my little nieces a present. So that's the first item, or the first items from the first die set. Okay, let's move on to die set number 2. And that one is the small loaded pocket. So Erica had said that there will be bigger ones in the future, but right now it's the small one. So it's a very versatile set. It comes with 2 different backing options that you can use. So this one has a really pretty like a lace kind of edge, and then the layering piece is stitched. And then this one has a more like ornate pattern, but it doesn't have like a lacy edge. It is stitched though, of course. And then it has a layering piece for that as well. And then this is the pocket that goes for both of them, and it scores those dashed lines, so it's really easy to fold and to make into a pocket. And of course there's a layering piece for that. And then it comes with these holes that you can add to the top if you want to punch holes, and then little like reinforcements too in the shape of flowers. And then 2 words with shadows, Happy Mail. So that's always nice to have in your stash for this or for something else. But these are perfect if you're doing swaps or just want to add a little something extra kind of tag to a gift. They're really cute. And you can, customize them, of course, for any occasion. So let me show you let me show you the 2 that I made. And I made mine kind of like a springy Easter theme. So here's the first one, and I used another paper pad from Michael's for the layering pieces, and I think it came out so cute. I used the word happy for this one. I didn't use the mail. I just thought happy would be fine, and I put a couple of puppy stickers from Doodlebug on there as well. And then I popped the happy up. I die cut the shadow out of some foam board from Walmart as well, just to give it some dimension there. And as you can see, the pocket is really nice, and it's wide enough for these 2 Ghirardelli bunnies. And I thought they looked really cute in there. I just bought those at Walmart this week. And then I put a piece of tulle behind them just to add a little something in the back. And this is what it looks like without the goodies inside. So how cute is that, right? And I did use the hole to punch a hole, and then one of the reinforcements, and then I tied a ribbon through that. So I think this will be a cute little addition to like an Easter basket or something like that. And if you want to see inside the pocket, that's what it looks like. So easy to put together. You just fold along the lines and then glue the back flaps to your the backing piece. So let me measure this one for you. This one is, let's see, it's about not quite 4.5 inches, almost top to bottom. And then side to side, it is a little bit over 3 inches. And then the pocket is 2.5. And then, well, when it's folded a little bit like that, it's about maybe 3/8 of an inch. So definitely a good size. Top to bottom, did I measure that? I don't think so. That is about 1 3/4, 7/8. So really cute tag, isn't that? And I like how I put the, just the inset or the layering piece on the pocket, so it looks like it continues on the background there. And then I just used some basil textured cardstock for the back, and that's what it looks like. So that's the first one in that design, and then I did the other design as well, and I made this one. And this one I didn't use either of the words. I just cut out, this is a cut apart from one of the paper pads that I used. So I just cut that out to go on the front. I used some more of those puppy stickers from Doodlebug, and I used some enamel dots on the sides there. But this is the one, this one fits a Hershey's chocolate bunny, so I thought I would add that too, and some tulle. So this is the other design with the lacy edge, and it's so pretty, I think. So it should be about the same size. I'll just measure quick. Yep, almost 5 inches, and a little bit different here, a little bit over 3 inches side to side. So both beautiful options, and you get both of the options in the one order, and you know, you can make them any way you want. I didn't do anything really to the inside because I wanted you to be able to, fit in the chocolates. But you don't have to add chocolates. You could add whatever you want. Like I have this stack of ephemera that I just cut up, and these are just like from the cut aparts from the paper pad. So if you wanted to add something like this, you could just put that in there like that, and maybe put it in a bag to keep everything in place, and then add it to one of your swaps or something. Just use whatever you want to fill it. You could add sequence mixes, goodies, gift cards, whatever. So that's my next project. And I had a lot of fun making those. And then the last one, I just wanted to show you another project that I made with the Tumblr mini album. And I had shown this before. I made a gift box out of it. This time I made a card. So this is the die set that you get. And here's the card that I made. So I wanted to make it in a little Easter theme. So that's what I did. This is a paper. If you watched my haul, I just got a Easter paper pack from Temu, and that's where I used this, or that's where this pink paper comes from. But the other papers are from papers I've had in my stash already. And these flowers I bought pre-made, but just added the little enamel dots to the center, and then added stickles to the outside of them just to jazz them up a little bit. And I did add some white glitter paper on the top and the middle of the tumbler. This top piece does come with the die set. This piece I just kind of cut myself. I cut the white glitter paper using the layering die, the stitch die, and then just trimmed it across so I could just put it right there so it looks like it's dividing the tumbler at the bottom, because I wanted to change the paper a little bit. And the way you open it up, you just open it like this, and that's what the inside looks like. This paper that I used, this orange paper for the handle, that's the base piece, and that's double-sided with the carrot print, so that's why it has carrot print on the inside. And I use that orange paper again to cut a layering piece for the inside of the card, and then this was just a cut apart from the paper pad. So I'll measure this for you too, even though I have done that before, but in case you missed that video, this is about 5 and almost 5.5 from top to bottom. And then side to side, it is about 3 and 7/8 or so. So, this die set is so versatile. I thought it'd be fun to make it an Easter theme, and I think it really works. It's very nice and springy and just fun, to send a little card to somebody. You can even add a little gift card in here if you wanted to. So really, really cute. So I just want to update you on a different project that I made with that die set. So that is all I have for you today. All of these die sets will be linked down below. Of course, my coupon code is Strawberry Cream. Don't forget to use that at checkout, and my referral link will be down there as well. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I hope you have a great day. Bye.